We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious pecan pie, y'all. Yes, and I'm gonna show y'all how simple it is to make. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have melted butter, eggs, sugar, pecans, vanilla extract, and Caro syrup, and our pie crust. Another thing I wanted to share with you of these cups that I purchased at Walmart. These are measuring cups, and they also come with spoons. And they are like $11 and some change. What I like about them, they are magnetic and they stick together. And so I just wanted to share this tip with you all. If you're by Walmart, go and check these out, okay? Okay, y'all, let's get to making our pecan pie. Here in this bowl, I'm going to slightly beat these eggs. Okay. And now we're going to put this pecan pie together. Make sure to get a pen and paper to jot down this recipe. Here in our large bowl, we're adding our slightly beaten eggs. 1 cup of sugar. Here I'm using white sugar. Or you can use some light brown sugar instead. The brown sugar gives it a more sweet, nutty, rich taste. So if you want both flavors, use both. A half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. I just wanted to add that tip. Here we're adding our 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Letting you know I'm using salted butter. If you don't have the salted butter, add a pinch of salt. The salt is what evens out the sweetness of your pie because it does make a difference. 1 cup of light corn syrup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to mix these ingredients together. Like I said, there are so many ways you can make pecan pie. You can add, like I said, the light syrup, or you can either add the dark syrup, white or brown sugar, or both. As you kind of play around with this recipe, just make it the way you would like it. And so, as you make them, use the certain things and see which one you would prefer. Okay, just make this recipe yours. Okay, we're about finished mixing this up, and now we're going to add in our last ingredients, our pecans. Okay, there is nothing like a good, delicious pecan pie, y'all. And just looking at it, I already know it's going to be good. And so, okay, we're going to stir these in a little bit, and then we're going to our next step. Here I'm sharing with you the type of pie crust that I'm using. I'm using the traditional pie crust that you can pick up at Walmart or your local grocer. I usually use the original, not the deep dish, but it make this recipe yours. If you prefer, you can. But I prefer the original or the traditional pie crust. Or you can make a homemade pie crust. I didn't have the time today, but one day I'm going to show y'all the whole steps in making a pie crust. Okay, y'all, let's go to our next step. Okay, here's our pie crust. I have let it thaw, and now it's time to fill it. all you do is just place your filling in there. And if there too much filling, you can always just spoon a few spoons out if it's not. Sometimes it all depends on your recipe. Some recipes like this one, you may could use a deep crust, but I'm using a traditional. And so what you do if it look like it's overfilled, you can always remove some of the filling from your pie shell. Okay? Now we're going to place this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, go and check your pie. And if it's jiggling in the middle, let it stay in there another 10 minutes until it's no longer jiggles. Okay, we're going to be back after our pie bakes. Okay, y'all, here's our pie. And we're going to let this completely cool, y'all, before you serve it. I have found that out, and I have found out the hard way. So make sure your pie is completely cool. It's best to cut it the next day. Let it completely cool on the counter, and then after it's completely cool, cover it and then place it in the refrigerator and let it, and to me it tastes better. The next day, take it out maybe a couple of hours before serving it. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed baking with me as much as I always enjoy baking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all have a happy Thanksgiving and Christmas. Or you can make this pie just because it is so delicious. As always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. My encouragement for today: when life throws you lemon, make lemonade, y'all. Yes, sometimes life will throw you some curves and some bumps or whatever. Just live your best life that you can and just move on. The enemy don't like smiles on your face, but smile anyway. This really confuses them. So make the best of your life, okay? And be thankful. Be thankful for the big things as well as the small things. Because there's somebody don't even have what you have. So y'all just keep your head up and keep a smile on your face, because smiles are contagious. Someone may be having a bad day, but when they see you smile, they may want to smile. Okay, y'all, be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!